Hi everyone, we are here to demonstrate a beautiful FisItalia accordion. It's a B system Musette accordion. It has 5 sets of reeds in the bass, and also it has a musette, like a double musette in the treble. It has 1 low and 3 middle sets of reeds. So the range of this accordion is 120 bass and 41 keys, like from F to A, like in full-size piano accordion. From F to A it has 41 keys and 4 sets of reeds in the treble. Bassoon, which is 1 low. Which is 1 middle and 1 low. Saxophone, which is also 1 low, 1 middle, just the middle reed is a different middle reed, which is detuned, musette reed. So let's see how it sounds. Now one of the most popular instruments is the accordion, which is 1 low and 2 middle reeds. Trumpet. Trumpet is similar to accordion. It has also 1 low and 2 middle. However, it has not the just tuned middle reed. It has 2 detuned middle reeds. This is the trumpet. Master. This is the power register. It has everything the accordion has got. 1 low and 3 middle. Musette. This is the 3 middle. This is the special feature of this accordion, which is good obviously for European folk or for French musette music. Musette, 3 middle, which is called in the United States generally double musette. Vibrato. It has 2 middle reeds. However, it doesn't have the middle reed which is properly tuned. It has 2 detuned reeds, which gives you a greater amount of tremolo. Violin, one of the most basic registers, which is 2 middle with the middle reed and another middle reed which is tuned slightly above it. Celeste, which is also 1 middle, it's 2 middle reeds, but however it has the middle reed which is properly tuned and a different middle reed which is tuned below. So it gives you also some small degree of tremolo, but in a different way. And clarinet. This is just 1 middle, which is the middle, the properly tuned middle reed. This is one of the top reeds in the bass. Now the third register. Next one. And I think the last one. The chords.